Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fillet fish. First, select high-quality fish fillets, ideally around 1 inch thick. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This crucial step prevents steaming and promotes a beautiful sear. Next, season both sides generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs you love, like dill or parsley. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. For a perfectly seared fillet, heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed, in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Once shimmering, carefully place your seasoned fish, skin side down if it has skin. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the skin is golden and crisp. Then, gently flip and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring it's cooked through. Knowing when your fish is perfectly done is key. Insert a fork into the thickest part of the fillet. If it flakes easily, it's ready. For precise cooking, an instant-read thermometer should register 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, fish continues to cook slightly after being removed from the heat, so avoid overcooking to keep it wonderfully tender and moist. Serve your beautifully cooked fish immediately to enjoy its best texture and flavor. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens every bite. It pairs wonderfully with light sides such as roasted asparagus, fluffy rice, or a crisp green salad. For an extra touch, deglaze the pan with a splash of white wine, a knob of butter, and some minced garlic for a quick, flavorful sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.